So the next point in the module 1, it is the moment of a force. So what is meaning of moment of a force? The rotational effect of the force about a given point is known as a moment. Okay, so you must have studied this concept in your 11th or 12th. So mathematically, it is a product of the force and the perpendicular distance with respect to the given moment point. Okay, so you can observe in the given diagram. So we have one force which is F. It is acting at this point. Suppose this point is A. Okay, and OA, it is one object which is pivoted at this point O. So this is the pivot point. Okay, pivot point means it is connected at point O. Suppose we apply the force F at point A, which is separated by distance D. So D is the perpendicular distance. The meaning of perpendicular distance is that distance is perpendicular to the line of action of the given force. So this is the imaginary line, that is the line of action. Okay, and this D distance, it is perpendicular to the line of action. So mathematical equation for the moment is m is equal to force into perpendicular distance, and unit is Newton meter. Force unit is Newton and distance is meter. So this moment, it will cause the rotational effect. So if you apply the force, there is a tendency in the given object to rotate about the pivoted point. So you can observe here. So it will try to rotate the object in this direction. So right now it is a clockwise direction. So when we use the moment in the calculation, that is a force analysis, we have to consider the moment as a positive or negative depending on the sense of rotation. Okay, so if the given force or applied force try to rotate the object in the clockwise direction as shown in the given figure, then that moment is considered as a negative. Okay, so there is a mistake. So clockwise rotation is considered as a negative, and for anti-clockwise, so suppose we have one object. Suppose this is a rod AB. It is connected at point A, and if we apply the force like this, so this is the force F, and this is perpendicular distance D. So this force will try to rotate the AB in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so here moment by the force F about the point A, it is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Okay, and this moment, it will be the anti-clockwise moment. Okay, and here moment is clockwise. So in the calculation, anti-clockwise moment is considered as a positive and clockwise moment is considered as a negative. Okay, so this is the concept of moment. So now I will show the simulation so you can understand the application of moment. So this is the JCB arm. Suppose we want to lift this bucket, then we have to apply the force at this joint, okay, where the hydraulic cylinder is connected. So we want to apply the force at this point so that complete arm, it will rotate about this point. So this is the pivot point. So you can observe here how the force is applied and how this bucket is lifted in the upward direction. So this is the force which is acting at this point, and this is the perpendicular distance. Okay, distance from this point up to the pivot point. So it will cause the rotation. So this rotational effect is called as a moment. So just observe the rotational effect of that moment. So right now we are applying the moment in the anti-clockwise direction at the joint. So the complete arm, it will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Just remember, moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Unit is Newton meter. And when we consider the sign convention, then clockwise is negative and anti-clockwise it is the positive. So anti-clockwise is positive and clockwise is negative. Now the second concept is couple. So it is referred as a force couple. So couple means when two equal and opposite forces acts on an object separated by distance d. So this distance d is the perpendicular distance, will produce or prevent rotational effect. So it is called as a couple. Okay. So couple means, suppose this is the object AB and it is pivoted at the center point. So take this point as O and we have one force F which is acting at point A and equal force but in the opposite direction to the F is acting at the point B. Okay. So what is the effect of these two forces? These two forces, they will form one couple and that couple will try to rotate the system in this direction. Okay. So this will create the moment. Okay. So this is called as moment by the couple. So the value for this moment is, suppose this is perpendicular distance between the two forces. Then moment of couple, it is equal to force F into distance between the two forces. So it is F into D. And right now this moment is anti-clockwise. So we can represent the direction like this. Okay. And in the calculation, we have to consider this value as a positive. So suppose we have force 10 Newton and second opposite force 10 Newton and object AB is pivoted at the point O and distance between the two forces, that is a perpendicular distance, it is 2 meters. So this moment of the couple, it is equal to force F, that is 10 into perpendicular distance 2 meter. So this is 20 Newton meter. So right now it's the sense of rotation. It is anti-clockwise about the point O. So it is positive. Okay. So I hope this concept is clear. What is meaning of couple? So you can see the examples or applications for the couple. So is the video visible to you? So just tell me what is there on the screen. Okay, now check. Okay. So this is very common application in our day-to-day life. So this is the tap. Okay. So if you want to start the water supply from the tap, then we apply one couple on the tap. Okay. So these are two equal and opposite forces, and we try to rotate this tap. Okay. So this will form one couple. So in this case, the center point, it is the pivot point, and these two forces, they form one couple, and this is the perpendicular distance. So couple value, sorry, moment by the couple is force into distance d. So second application is, so you use spanner to tight the nut. So in that case, we apply the equal and opposite forces on the spanner. So they will form one couple. Second application is steering wheel. So on the steering wheel, so this is your steering wheel of the automobile. So this is the pivot point where the steering wheel is connected to the steering rod. And when we take the turn, right or left, we try to rotate the steering wheel by applying some forces. So suppose this is the force. So in this case, the steering wheel, it will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so that we can take the left turn. So the moment value, so this is the perpendicular distance. Suppose this is AB. So moment by the couple, it is equal to force into perpendicular distance d. Okay, and right now it is anti-clockwise. So this is the direction or sense of rotation. Okay. So now we will solve one basic problem on the moment. So this is the problem. And the statement is, find the moment by force P1, P2 and P3 about point A. So this is P1, this is P2, P3 and P4. So we have to find out the individual moment by each force P1, P2, P3, P4 about the point A. So consider first force P1. So this value is 20 Newton. So when we write the moment the representation for moment is moment by the force P1 about the given point, that is the point A. So this is equal to, our general formula is force into perpendicular distance. So right now force is 20 Newton, that is a P1. So we can write here P1 into its perpendicular distance D. So perpendicular distance D means what? The moment point is A. From this point, distance must be perpendicular to the line of action. So right now, this side AB is nothing but the perpendicular distance, and AB is perpendicular to the force P1. So we can take this 5 meter as a perpendicular distance. So force is 20 into distance is 5. So this is equal to 100. Unit is Newton meter. And what is the sense of rotation? This P1 force will try to rotate the given object ABCD in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now consider the second force. So take 60 Newton. So for 60 Newton, we have to take the moment about the same point A. So we have to find out the perpendicular distance. So it is directly given 3 meter. Okay, so you can write the equation for moment by the second force. So moment by the second force, that is P2, about the point A, it is equal to force P2 into perpendicular distance D. So P2 is 60, distance D is 3 meter. Okay, so this is 180 Newton meter, and the sense of rotation, it is clockwise. So when we write this value or take this value in the calculation, we have to consider this as a minus 180 Newton meter. And this minus means what? It is the clockwise rotation. Okay. So this is the moment by the second force about the point A. Now consider the force P3. So force P3 is acting at some angle 30 degree with respect to vertical line. So suppose this point is C. So for P3, the perpendicular distance is not directly available with respect to point A. Okay. So in such case, we can resolve the force in X and Y direction, and then we can take the moment by X component and the Y component. So resolve the force at point C. So we can show the components like this. We can assume C point as the origin. So this line will be X axis. So this is your X component. The vertical line, that is line CB, it will be Y axis. So this is Fy. So here Fx is equal to 50 sine 30 because it is opposite side. Angle is given with respect to Y axis. So Y will be adjacent, and this is 50 cos 30. And now take the moment by Fy and Fx. Do not consider this total 50 Newton because we have resolved 50 Newton into X and Y component. Okay. So we can write the moment value as moment by the net force P3 about the point A. It is equal to, now consider the first 50 cos 30. So force is 50 cos 30 into find out the perpendicular distance of Fy with respect to point A. Okay. So for that, just extend the line of action. So this is the line of action. So complete line CB is nothing but the line of action for the Fy component. Okay. And draw the perpendicular from point A on this line of action. That is nothing but the perpendicular distance. So AB is nothing but the perpendicular distance for the force Fy. So we can take the 5 meter as a perpendicular distance. Okay. So this is the moment by the component Fy, and this moment will try to rotate the complete object in the clockwise direction. So it is minus. Now consider the second force, 50 sine 30. So basically here we have to add the moment by x component and y component. So the answer will be the net moment by the force P3. So moment by 50 sine 30, its perpendicular distance will be, just extend this line of action and draw the perpendicular from point A. So this line AD, it is nothing but the perpendicular distance, that is equal to 3 meter. And this moment is the force acting Fx at point C will try to rotate the complete object in the clockwise direction. So this is the sense of rotation, sorry, anti-clockwise direction. So it is positive. Okay. So the total answer, so this is minus 141.506 Newton meter. Okay, so this is the net moment by the force P3 about the point A. As the answer is negative, that means the net moment, it must be in the clockwise direction. So we can write this value as 141.506 Newton meter, and we can show the sense of rotation like this. Okay, so this is the net moment. So is it clear to you how to find out the moment by the force P3 about the point A?